Hey everybody, it's Tommy Anderson with another model build. This one is the vintage Hawk kit of the Me-163 Komet. It was a rocket-powered fighter interceptor by the German Luftwaffe. It first flew in 1935 and flew up to the end of the war. This kit here I got an estate sale for $6. It's a vintage kit from 1960. 26 parts, went together fairly quickly. There were no decals and there were no instructions. I were able to get off of scale mates, so you know, if anybody's ever looking for missing instructions, that's a good place to always go look to get a copy of them. And if I see there's a kit that I built and I have the instructions, I always scan them and upload them so that, you know, hopefully somebody else can use them someday. Decals, I had to get some aftermarket ones for it because these were 1960 and they're pretty yellow. The kit went together really quick, really fast. It was a one-day build, 2 days with paint and detail, and it was fun. I always kind of wanted to have this little model to represent the German super weapons. The only problem that I had with it is that the pilot is too big for the cockpit. I decided I was going to paint the pilot, which I did, and it turned out I thought okay, and once I had him in there, I realized he was just a little too big for the canopy to sit down on the fuselage. So I pulled the pilot out and put the canopy down. It worked out fine. But outside of that, it went together really quick. You know, there were no real gaps. Everything fit the way it was supposed to, and I was really happy with the kit. It makes a nice little addition to my Luftwaffe collection. So here, enjoy what I've done, and you can just watch a quick look at the assembly. Take care now. Have a good one.